Hi everyone, today we are making a very healthy and easy dish. This carrot salad can be prepared in 10 minutes with very simple ingredients. First take 2 carrots. Cut off the ends, no need to peel. Now grate finely using a grater. Then add minced or grated ginger. Also add chopped onion and sliced chilli. Season with some salt and lime juice. Then add some coconut milk for creaminess. Add a dash of pepper powder. Give it a good mix. And there you have it, a very healthy salad to add to your meal. And it is delicious and very appetizing. Plus, you get to eat raw vegetables that are so good for health. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more simple recipes. Until then, happy cooking!